Yeah, so we are doing context coding at this moment. And what I'm going to show is how we actually start to turn it into what we call work coding.
So why do we go through the trouble to create all this? I mean, everybody talks about vibe coding. Some people have invented the word context coding. Where are we at in terms of that on the scale?
Yeah, so we are doing context coding at this moment. And what I'm going to show is how we actually start to turn it into what we call work coding. So right now we've got really rich context around the different facets of the application. For example, the data layer, the user experience, the behavior of the application, and then there's different ways to actually keep the application on the rails.
Beauty. Okay, so context coding is like the next level up.
Yep.
And what do you call work coding?
Work coding is being able to, we use BDD and we have the Gherkin features. We have the Gherkin features, which ties to the actual code, and then you run the features. It executes the code, and then it says whether it passes or fails, whether the code worked or didn't. And then once, based on that result, whether it worked or didn't, it feeds back into the AI. And then the AI, if it didn't work, it goes back and it fixes it, and that's its work list. And if it works, it's like, okay, I'm done. I did my job.
Yeah.